out on the floor of my villa. I ain't got time for two things. What? These stupid ass hoes and they feelings. Ayy, all independent, my bitches just calling, they get it. They know they just falling off thinning. Chocolate vanilla cat.
Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Alright, so it's 11 o'clock. We finna head somewhere. We're running a tad late. Like, I don't even got makeup on. I got everything on the floor over there. I just have my lashes to put on. And then I have like these press-on nails to put on too.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
So beautiful. I was taking pictures, but she said I wasn't doing a good job. I blame the lighting. It's terrible lighting here.
You want to blame the light? Look at this picture, friend. Come here.
I don't want to look at nothing.
Today, and I just got told we're going to a chocolate factory, and I'm really excited to go to the chocolate factory. Right now, we're having a tour at the chocolate factory, and I'm also doing a scavenger hunt. Am I doing this right? I don't know, but I think it's pretty fun to do. It's also a whole different set of questions, and we just passed by one. We're playing this scavenger hunt, right? So I left the 6th question today, which is basically what's making noise inside of the cocoa pie by the sample station. It's he said maraca. There's no fucking maraca in the cocoa beans. The answer wasn't maraca.
It wasn't nothing either.
It wasn't nothing? We got chocolate though.
This is the new chocolate that they working on.
Chocolate? Yeah. I'm hard. I think I don't like dark chocolate, that's why.
It's like a waste of my time.
Alright, so right now we're going to the last stop. And then we're gonna go ride scooters. But when I ride these scooters, I'm taking these heels off. Because this guy wanna zoom zoom.
No matter what you do, it's time we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, this that. Last time I tried to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, yes, no. And I can be waiting cause I said so.
Okay, I forgot to record. But I immediately started eating it. The fucking passion fruit ice cream. Passion fruit ice cream.
Best decision I ever made in my lifetime.
Passion fruit ice cream. Basically, my ice cream gave all tropical. Mango, coconut, and passion fruit. All tropical. So, we just finished scootering. I'm walking barefoot because I wasn't going to hop on that scooter with heels. How was it, baby?
Oh, it's fun. I haven't had that fun in a while.
The last place of the day, you can see this improper pimple.
She was telling me how she, oh, let's not get boba because this and that. And now she see boba. Oh my god, oh my god.
So we're gonna get the cinnamon rolls, which is vanilla ice cream mixed with cinnamon toast crunch, topped with cinnamon toast, honey, and little. I'm gonna just tell him I want this.
Reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge. But now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't my revenge. I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. We're doing a little trampoline play. Yeah. Height is not my worst fear. It's not.
You put down your hip.
Thank you.
She's so cool. So fucking cool. She's just going through this like it ain't nothing. Even though she's about to fall, we're not gonna pay attention to that.
What?
Huh?
What you say? Talking
Nah,
shit?
no.
Talking shit?
So cute. You talking about me falling? You talking about me falling? The next course where we had to walk on logs, and they gave us a choice, extreme or moderate. And of course, we chose the extreme. I said I didn't care, but oh my gosh. You got this.
I'm shitting myself.
Walk it.
No, it's moving.
That's how it was.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
This was more steadier than mine.
You got this. Walk it. All right. Yes, you do. I made it more steadier. Don't let nothing go. One foot, one hand, grab, pull. There we go. There you go. There you go. All right, now you able to reach it? Exactly. As you're moving up, let go of the back. Let go of the other hand. Pull it.
Hold it.
Walk it.
Walk it.
That's what I'm talking about. You're almost there. Keep it going.
I'm holding this.
Good job. I fucking told you. Good job. High five.
That was scary. I don't like that one.
You the one who said extreme.
I like that one. I didn't like that one.
Yeah, this right here is crazy.
Hi guys. We just went through this. Did that one. There was one between expert and difficult. I wasn't gonna get on that fucking expert because there was like these little long ropes with circles at the bottom, like this.
So cool. This type of stuff, she braver than me. Even though I just did this, she can go through this whole course with ease.
Whatever is the most comfortable way for you to force yourself out.
Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus.
You got this. You got this. Shot instructor and baby. Look at her style. She's so cool. She got a
I did a leap of faith. The biggest one. Alright. But this is a little too tight because it's taller than me.
Alright. I'm gonna stop this so I can help you. Run!
Huh? I couldn't see you.
Is that why you was waiting?
Yeah, I couldn't see you at all. So, we're back in the car. We went to the adventure thingy. We ate ice cream and came home. Now, Babe's taking me somewhere. So, where are you going, baby?
First, I had to change my clothes because I had wooden
It looks good now.
things.
It looks nicer.
But I had to change my clothes. I had them wooden things all over me. But today, I'm taking you to this new place. Well, I don't know if it's called Wasabi 88.
I'm a little tired. I'm not sure if y'all see it. But on the way from LA to over here, I was asleep. Well, I was asleep for about 30 minutes. I was tired. I felt tired. But I think tonight I need to edit. And then tomorrow I go back home. So sad. Alright. So it's our last few hours together before I go back home. I'm making a request at kitchen. We're starting to make Rice Krispies. We won't have to cut for marshmallows because it's safe to use mini marshmallows. But we only got big ones. We tried. We can't get the drizzle.
She had to be doing this for years. Ain't no way we just...
It's good though. It's good. Remember?
She had to be doing that for years. Ain't no way she does it one time perfect.
I don't really give a fuck what the girls say.